guys, it's me Alexis, and today me and Lucas, well, hey guys, it's Alexis, aka
Well, thank you
MOTO.
for introducing me to the entire world.
aka MOTO MX, aka hashtag banana squad.
Holy fuck. Okay, shit.
But sorry for the
Welcome to
clickbait.
the world of mess.
Sorry for the clickbait. Clickbait. We got the dirt bikes, 2 dirt bikes, and then the Grom right here. And then we got the
You don't
Princess
apologize
bike.
for clickbait.
No, we don't apologize. But thank you for clicking. Also, we do have a shout out, and his name is JV Pro. Make sure you guys all subscribe to him. His content is like so awesome. You should totally subscribe. Hey Lucas, let's see you shoot some hoops. Yeah?
I'm really rusty.
Alright. If he makes it on the first try, I'll buy you Top Mark. No, I won't. Alright, let's see this. Shoot some hoops. We're watching. Oh, you choked right there, bro. Alright. You play yourself. Congrats. Oh! Here,
Your turn.
Yeah, record me. Don't freaking drop my phone.
I'm not gonna drop your phone.
Put the camera. Oh my god, I almost dropped my phone. Come on, bro. Oh! I feel that. Alright. We're just gonna take turns.
That barely even made it to the height of the hoop.
I did it that time. I'm panting like I'm just. Oh! What the? You get another try. Cause that was family friendly content. We're not gonna stop until you make it. Finally! A swish. So let me try doing it in one hand. Hey, what's up, Ken? Where's the brother? I'm recording for YouTube. I'm recording for YouTube. Look at this little cringy kid right here. This is my little cringy boy. High five. No, knuckles. Let's go. Yeah, you want to shoot some hoops? I used to play basketball. You're acting like you're so old. That's a dope ass helmet. Oh, that is hot, bro. Shoot over my head, boy. Boy. Here, do what you can. Can pass. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna bring one to him. Kian, pass. Kian, pass. Come on, Kian. Well, he got it first try. Little worm right here. Bro, what was that? You have to jump. Yeah, but steal that shit. Oh, go, oh my god. I'm gonna make one-handed. Imagine if I made it. Oh my god. Shaky camera. I'm like getting everybody's freaking ball now. That sounds wrong. record on your dad's stuff.
Okay.
Got a good angle. Come on, let's try this at the angle. Or do you?
Again.
Or no. Kian, do you want to ride the Grom or the dirt bike?
I want to try the Grom first.
I'll record you two. All right, I'll record both of you.
Does it work still?
Yeah.
Well, Robert.
All right, go ahead.
It's gonna
It'll be
super fast to you compared to how fast you know.
I know, right? All right, come on. I'll record you guys.
You should probably move that bike out a little.
Does it
middle
break?
of the road.
I will later.
But I put this, I want to bring this down. There's no break on it.
Just
Too
go down.
bad.
It's not that tall. It's not a big
It's fine. It's not a big deal. It'll be good.
deal. Just roll down.
Just roll down with your feet. And if you're too scared, just break. Dude, it's not even fast. Dude, this kid is scared, bro. This kid is scared.
He also doesn't really know that much about putting up a kickstand, for God's sake.
Put the kickstand up. Alright, dude. You need help?
He said no cringe.
No cringe, yeah. We tried putting a no cringe video.
Alright, watch out, Alexa, stop.
Yep.
I'm gonna go right in
Ooh. Come on, Kian. I'll keep up with you, okay? I'll wait for you. Shoot, I'm on the dirt bike right now. Look how cute. Look how cute.
Again, want to race?
Oh, yeah, race. Wait, where'd he go? What the? This kid just disappeared.
Let's go.
Hey, Kian, race him. Race. Dude, go slow on purpose. Make him think that he won, okay?
I'm gonna make him think that he's almost gonna win this.
Alright, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe to JV Pro. And says shout out to him. Why are you pointing at me? Shout out to him. He's my professional.
And please subscribe to
MOTO
MX.
MX. And there's Lucas.
Banana
There's Kian.
Squad.
Banana Squad. And I'll see you guys next time.